Today is November 2nd, 2018. I had a great watch list. I was looking at GTE, PETX, BTE, EXTR, GoPro, EXEL, MD, RX, and TTOO, what you see on the screen. That's what I traded. From there, I looked at what was going on as far as the futures. The futures was going up, so I'd rather be a buyer at this point because the future was going up. It looked like the market was going to open about 100 points higher than what you did. A little bit, yeah, hoping up a little higher. Apple reported disappointing earnings, believe it or not, but the market was up right at the open, so I wanted to participate with the market giving me a push as well. This company had good earnings. It had popped to the upside, so it had a gap up on the name. I think it was up pre-market more than this, and it was like 11%, up 11% pre-market. It kind of came back down, as you can see right up in here. It kind of popped up, and then it kind of came back down right up in this area, which is good if you can break back up, and it did. So I normally go short, but today I went long because of those reasons. So Arrow, my indicator, my proprietary indicator, pops up right here. So I go long at 570 at about 9:30. Was at 9:35. So I participated in this candle here, right at the top of this candle, where this candle closed on the first 3 minute, because I'm working in the 3-minute bar. And from there, I took a quarter position. I only took 500 shares, but I took a quarter off, 100 shares off at 86, which is in this candle here, up in here a little bit over this candle here. So I took off at 86, 100 shares, and then I took the rest of it off, my last 400 shares off in this candle, rejection at 93. So right up in here is when I closed the position out. Top of this was 602. Okay, so the top was 602 here. On this candle, then it kind of came back down after that. Everybody just kind of flooded out, but all in all, it was a good win. 108 profit for the day. If you want the indicators that I'm using, I'm looking at 4 screen, but I have a proprietary indicator that pops up at the bottom or top of the candle, whether it be long or short, that I use using TD Ameritrade, which is a free platform that you can use. You can go paper and just practice on it as well. But if you want those indicators, leave me a comment below. I'll have a PayPal link at the bottom of the in the description of this video, so you can click that. Once you click the PayPal link, it'll have all zeros there. Type in $2.99. That's what the course is, $2.99. Once you do that, I'll be able to get that DM, get that message, and we can go from there as far as scheduling when you want to do your training session for me to mentor you on the indicators that I'm using. Not only that, but if you want to like this video, click the like button, subscribe, because I normally do, probably not daily, but majority of the time, some of my trades I go ahead and post for the purpose of everybody just seeing what I'm doing in my SureTrader account. Just moving forward on just building it up every day. Today was 108. The next step for this account is probably to move it out of SureTrader. Once you get about like 25,000 or maybe 30,000, I go ahead and move it over to an IB or another broker, Speed Trader, something like that, a US based broker. But with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and pull over the profit so you can see the detail. That one, there we go. All right, there we go. 108 on the day. Those are my entries and exits. We already talked about those. I bought in here, got the quarter out, 100 shares in, the other 400 shares closed out at 93. As I say this 1,000 times, if you think you're going to catch the exact top and the exact bottom, fat chance. The chances are greater you being struck by lightning before that happens. So try to get the meat of the move, which was the meat of the move here was great. I got it 570 to 593, pretty much the meat of the move. Closed, the top was 106. I mean, not 106, 602 was the top of that candle right there, and from there it just collapsed back, and now you got it's in a total range. The volume was there. I was looking at the volume on the bottom half here. It was a great push. The market operates in 3s, 5s, and 7s. Remember that, 3, 5s, and 7s. So once this third candle to the upside, a lot of traders are trying to get out on this first push up, because a lot of, some, believe it or not, some traders were in here or past the previous days anticipating a good earnings report, and they could have been selling all the way up. I'm an intraday trader, so I was able to get in here and get out at 93, right up in here. But remember that 3, 5s, and 7. So once you get that third candle to the upside, start looking for an exit, which was pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and close this video out. As I always say in parting, to live is Christ and to die is gain.